turf project at Williston State College involves replacing the existing natural grass fields with high-quality artificial turf. This upgrade brings numerous advantages, including increased durability, reduced maintenance costs, and extended usability throughout the year. The new turf fields are designed to withstand heavy use and inclement weather, ensuring that sporting events and recreational activities can proceed without disruption. Community engagement and support have been crucial to the success of the project. Significant commitments from generous donors, including alumni, local businesses, and sports enthusiasts, have played a major role in financing the installation of the fields. Additional fundraising efforts are currently underway to complete the project. In addition to benefiting our student athletes, the upgraded fields will serve as a hub for community events, youth sports leagues, and other recreational activities, fostering a sense of unity and pride in Williston. As the turf project progresses, it promises to create a lasting legacy of improved sports facilities and environmental stewardship for future generations. Join us in celebrating this remarkable transformation and the bright future it brings to Williston State College and our community. A special thank you to TrainND for their aerial video coverage of the project, capturing the incredible progress from above. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to showcase the progress of the fields and the positive impact on our campus and community.